in the README. I'm writing it in Markdown anyway, so may as well. Make the delete button work if you haven't already. So like I said, I've been writing these in Markdown, but I didn't really talk about Markdown very much. I said that the star will make a bulleted list. The hashes will make headings. The underscores around it will italicize that word. A couple of asterisks around it will bold it. So it's nice and readable just in plain text, but when it's translated into HTML, which it automatically will be on GitHub, that just does some formatting. I don't really want the bold there. So make the delete button work if you haven't already. And then go ahead and make the fave button change the style of the list item in some way. Make it change the background color, add a border, whatever you want to do. Just make it do something. Bonus credit. Make the fave button also change the object in the array. So for example, something like this. Got our ID, our name, and fave true. And then if you hit it again, change it back to false. Let's make some super mega bonus credit. Add buttons to move the flick up and down the list. An error to watch out for. Once you move it all the way to the top, what happens if you hit up again? It'll explode. So avoid that. Keep that from happening. And make those buttons also change their position in the array. Position's a better word than place. Not just in the UI, but update the array as well. So what we're doing here is this array is kind of the state of our app. That's the current state of all our data. And we're tracking that separately from the UI. That's kind of what React does. It updates the UI when you update your state. So we're just kind of doing the same thing the hard way. Once you see how you do all this stuff in React, you will hate that this week ever happened. But I really think it's valuable to actually know JavaScript before you learn a JavaScript library. You know how the actual language works. So, of course, super mega bonus credit hyperfighting. Allow users to edit the names of the flicks in the list after they're added. Wouldn't it be nice if we could take that span, you know, the span flick name, where we're putting the flick name? It'd be nice if we could make that span's content editable. So what this bonus item really is asking you to make that span's content editable. That's what you should Google to figure it out. Content editable. So tomorrow you don't have lecture. If you do it tonight, we'll look at it tomorrow, because tomorrow's the day that we look at your GitHubs all day. So be cool if you did get it done. Obviously, you have the weekend. If you put it off, you're really, really super not going to want to do it on Sunday, I bet. Plus, you'll have forgotten how all this works. So anyway, we encourage not procrastinating. But as the kids say, you do you.